Now we're going to treat sound symbol relationships and consonant-vowel combinations. That's the next thing while we are still treating the overview of phonics and diction. So before we go into the deeper parts, this is the last part in introducing our phonics and diction class, sound symbol relationships and consonant vowel combinations. These things are very so this topic is a very important topic. Symbol, I told you in our basic phonetic principles that sounds are represented by symbols. So what's a relationship? Sound symbol relationships refers to the connection between the sounds of a language and the symbols used to represent those sounds in written form. Like I said, when you write, it is just a code. But when you have a sound connected or attached to that sound, it becomes a symbol. So symbols are used to represent these sounds. So what are the relationships between the sounds? We also have consonant vowel combinations. These are specific pairs of consonant and vowel sounds that often occur together in spoken languages. You have some consonant vowels that come together and they give the same, just a single sound. So what are these combinations? Either consonant vowel sound combination. These combinations play a crucial role in forming words and are fundamental to understanding phonics and literacy. So in a nutshell, sound symbol relationships is the connection between sounds of a language and the symbol that is used to represent that sound. While some consonant vowel combinations are specific pairs that are often used together in spoken languages. What are the terms that are used in sound symbol relationships? Phonemes. Now, phonemes are the basic sound unit in a language. Example: A, B, D. All of these are basic sound units, so we refer to them as phonemes. So basically, we can say phonemes is another name for sound. So each phoneme represents a distinct sound that can change the meaning of a word when replaced with another sound. So if I want to pronounce cat and I said cat, I've used a different phoneme to pronounce a different word. Cat is an animal, while cat is an instrument. Mat is an instrument, is an object, while mat is a place. So the phonemes are distinct in their sounds. 2. Graphemes. Graphemes are the written representations of phonemes. These symbols that we write down to represent the sounds are called graphemes. They can be single letters like A, B, K, or combination of letters like sh, ch, and like that. So graphemes are letter or written representations of phonemes. Phonemes are the sounds you produce. Nobody can see, we can only hear. But graphemes, we can see, you write them down. And they are also representing the sounds they have put. So in alphabetic writing system, each grapheme typically corresponds to one or more phonemes. The next one is orthography. Orthography refers to the conventional spelling system in a language, which includes the rules for representing sounds with letters or characters. Orthographic rules may vary between languages and dialects. So orthography is the conventional way of spelling in a language. English language have different sound representation. Now today, AL is representing or. In another word, you see OR representing or. At times you see OAR sounding or and like that. So these rules are representing sounds with letters. Number 4, Consonant vowel combinations. These combinations are also known as syllables. When you have a consonant and a vowel attached to it, it makes it, once a vowel is attached, then you can pronounce a syllable there. They are the building blocks of spoken languages. Every word is broken down into syllables. So without a syllable, a word cannot be pronounced. So when you have a vowel sound combined with the consonant, then you have basically a syllable. Now this followed by this, like I said, is the basis of forming words. Now syllables consist of a vowel sound and may be preceded or followed by one or more consonant sounds. What we mean by the onset, the coda, respectively. So the onset is the sound that follows the consonant sound before the vowel sound, while the coda is the consonant sound after the vowel sound. While the vowel sound itself is the nucleus, because without the vowel sound, we can definitely not make a syllable. Number 5, another terminology is the open syllables. Now, these open syllables end with a vowel sound that allows it to just go like that. It is not blocked by consonants, such as go. It is ended by vowel sound. I, try,